Journaling is one of the most important habits for personal growth and self-improvement. Many people think journaling is the same as keeping a diary, but there is a huge difference. Keeping a diary is only about writing down what happens in your life, but writing about your memories and past experience alone will not lead to personal growth. Journaling, on the other hand, helps you do self-reflection and get to know yourself better so you can become the best version of yourself. However, the power of journaling is much more than that. First of all, journaling helps you remember what you learned. We are all bad at retaining information and forget most of what we read or listen. But when you write down what you learned, you can retain the information longer and more clearly. Even if you never reread what you wrote, the simple act of writing down improves your memory and your brain development. Secondly, journaling helps you see your goals more clearly and identify what needs to be done to achieve the goals. You can use your journal to review your daily to-do list, your life vision and long-term goals every day. As you review your goals, they become more refined and clearer. And journaling in the morning and the evening helps you find what you should include and what you should remove from your life to achieve the goals. This will bring more clarity in your life and makes it easy for you to make important decisions. Thirdly, journaling improves your mood and helps you develop your emotional intelligence. Journaling is a great way to improve your mood. Even if you are in a bad mood, journaling can shift your mind towards gratitude. Try to write about what you're grateful for and amazing things that happened in your life. This will help you become more positive and optimistic. The benefits of gratitude is not limited to improved mood. It can make you happier, make other people like you, improve your sleep, makes you more friendly, reduce negative emotions such as anger and envy. Journaling helps you turn off work mode as well. Many people struggle to detach from work. Even when you are not work, you keep thinking about a new project or what you have to do tomorrow. As a result, you fail to give 100% of your attention to your partner or your family. But you can use journaling to turn off your work mode and spend more quality time with your loved ones. What you have to do is to simply open your journal at the end of your work and write down what you got done that day, what needs to be moved to tomorrow, and what you learned. Finally, write down what you want to focus on tomorrow. This will help you put work behind you so you can be present with your friends or your loved ones. Lastly, journaling helps you become a better writer. Everybody writes almost every day. It might be a report, essay, blog, or email. Journaling helps you become a better communicator. It also helps you clear your mind and polish your ideas and develop strong writing habits. I think journaling is one of the most important habits in your life. If you do it right and consistently, it can improve your life in almost every aspect. Anyways, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!